I'm sorry, I had an issue with the recording. So we have our ID, the age, the point cache, and let's check for now one thing. 8 mask. Let's copy, Control C. Let's drag from here and search get point value by string. Just put here, we connect this, we have the emitter age, and we will have let's create here a float that will be our eight mask. Okay, so here we can rename this as import 8 mask, and this will be also here, and we can put it after the sample. So basically it will ask for the point Houdini cache, but we have it, we have our variable. So we both import in the spawn and in the update, and we can, so basically we have this parameter that is our 8 mask here, and we can say, for example, scale sprite by size, and we can say float. We know that is a normalized value. We multiply float, and we say 1 by our 8 mask. And as you will see, the scale the particles are scaled. They simply disappear. So probably you will see that it doesn't correspond because we need to sample 10 seconds. And so in this way, you can see that it corresponds to our original point cache. But we can also say, for example, just make, just get rid, just to check. And if we make like 5, let's say that we want to kill particles, set bool by float comparison. Let's say that our 8 mask, you can find this example also inside Houdini, but you can see that let's say if 8 mask is greater than 0.25. Eight mask. Is sorry is a And as you can see right now, if I say like 0.05, the particle die. And we can, for example, just say 0. Uh, 0, 1. And we can just scale them. So in this way, they just little fade down. And you can, in this way, use this kind of value as you want. They can drive a lot of things. And I just used a scratchpad module, but you can make an external module. You can find a tutorial about it on side effects page. But basically that's it. We have seen some stuff about the new workflow with Niagara ROP, and I hope it will be useful for you to follow up the course. But I mean, you can just keep the part in which the internal part of Niagara ROP is changed, because it basically will already interpolate the value of points. So you just go immediately through this step. You don't need to change anything inside the node, and it will work. And so you can basically start to follow back the video after the part in which the Niagara ROP is changed.